What's good, y'all? It's your girl Ari and I'm back with another video. So if you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is the Pilates video for you. And if you're tuning back in, thank you so much for watching, subscribing, showing love. For the people who already watched my Pilates video and they were asking for another one, I'm actually doing a Pilates series. So let's get right into it. It's gonna be a 7-day series. And today we're focusing on abs. So I was in the process of moving. That's why y'all haven't seen me make a video in quite some time. I'm not about to get into all of that, but just so y'all know, it's new content on the way and I'm gonna be dropping a video every day this week for my Pilates viewers, okay? For my Pilates viewers, all right? So let's get right into it. All right, y'all, so we're gonna get into a quick warm up, but first I'm gonna show y'all what y'all need, even though I feel like it's pretty self-explanatory, but last time I did forget my grip socks myself, so I got my handy dandy water bottle. Then make sure you have on some grip socks. And then our Pilates board. So I went ahead and bought this Pilates board off Amazon. If you didn't see the initial video, you won't know. But the link is right in my description box for the Pilates board. All right, y'all, so don't judge me. This is as real as it gets. Y'all gonna see me with my hairnet on because I got the bust down in and I'm about to do a workout. I'm not here to look cute. I'm here to get it in. So I'm just getting my Pilates board ready for the workout. So if you don't have one yet, everything that comes with the Pilates board is here listed in the video. It comes with a little foam like knee pad, and then it has like 2 arm straps. It has a timer, and it also has another set of handles. Now everything's all set. Let's get started with the warm-up stretch. So I'm gonna stand up with my feet together, clasp my hands up, and bring my chest out. I'm gonna slow down my breathing, and I'm gonna start with doing some slow and controlled squats with my knees, my legs, everything together. Just be sure to open your chest and just breathe slowly and take your time. I'm doing this motion for 10 counts. So just take your time and move at your own pace. Pause the video if you need to. So now at this point, I'm going to be tippy-toeing with my feet together. So if you can't tippy-toe as high as you would like to, that's fine. Just move at your own pace. And same thing, I'm gonna do this 10 times. And if you snap, crack, or pop, it's okay. That's how you know that you're getting warmed up and you're getting your ankles ready for the exercise. So like we would say in the Caribbean, make sure you control it. So for your last tippy toe, you're just gonna hold it for a couple seconds, and then now I'm gonna squat all the way down to the ground. And now I'm going to make sure I stretch out my wrists. So I'm just gonna rotate my wrists a couple times. And then I'm gonna start off with some wrist circles on each side. I did it for about 10 seconds on each side. Now I'm gonna do actual arm circles. I'm doing little ones reverse. Same thing for about 10-15 seconds. And then I'm going to rotate it, do it the opposite way. Now I'm doing some ankle circles. 10 on the right side. Then I'm gonna lift up my left leg and do the same thing, 10 on the left side. I don't even know what this exercise is called, but basically I'm gonna reach both of my elbows over my head and then I'm gonna grab one. At this point, I'm grabbing the right side, and the point is to push your arm that you're grabbing like as low as you can. You see how it's behind my neck? Yeah, and that just helps you get a good stretch. We don't want to pull anything. And then I'm gonna lean over and I'm gonna do a pike stretch. But instead of fully just leaning over, I'm just trying to relax my back, and I'm just doing some rocking motions and tippy-toeing a little bit as I do this. Listen, if you never know how to warm up in the gym, just take that warm up. It's nice, simple, quick, and easy. Now we're going to get started with the Pilates workout. We're going to do each exercise 3 times. We are starting off with mountain climbers. Slow and steady wins the race. Remember to breathe, y'all. Dang, friend, you didn't tell me that I didn't even tie down my edges? Nah, I'm just playing with y'all, but I had to seriously tie my hair down during our break, so let's get right back into it. Alright, so for the next exercise, you're going to need to adjust the Pilates board. So I'm just going to slide this little metal piece up so that each slider can move like individually, not together. You see what I mean? Caribbean girl, me know for tick, me know for top, yeah. Man, I watch my body like say them, I watch a match, yeah. Anything I say them, girl, I do it like it's that. But make my own money like the girls in movie top. Classy, real bad girl, man get nasty. I do whatever I want, just become a bossy. Yes, I'm the one in charge. Never get my bones and I'm still falling in love. Yeah, and I ain't anybody can touch this. Baby, I am not a hoe. Rice and peas, body hotter than jollof. I feel that taste, you know what's in my pot. Reflecting from the night until the sun come down. Everybody in the contestant. The lime, don't tell me that. The jamming, don't tell me that. The drinking, don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. If you see me that, yeah, 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 yeah.
you see me jumping up to the ceiling, and them high. You see me, right now my vibes up, I getting on. Bend down, let me slipping, daddy. Bend down, let me slipping. You see me, as a man, I always happy once one me in the hand. How I live it, it's like a feeling that can't control. It's in the ways I want to wave, I want to ride.
Trying to thief a wine, like a criminal.
You know what you're doing.
Everybody,
And take a jump until morning, vet till I'm falling down. Jump up with the people, rave up with the people. And take a jump until morning, vet till I'm falling down. Celebrate and carry on. She causing a scene outdoors, everybody watching we. Cause I want to wind up to every single song. Wind down there, bubble down there. Girl, turn the track, bend your back and wind your up for that. Give me that.
sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down.
Play your mass and live the life. It's in the ways I want to wave, I want to ride.
Trying to thief a wine, like a criminal.
No, no.
Everybody,
And take a jump until morning, vet till I'm falling down. Jump up with the people, rave up with the people. And take a jump until morning, vet till I'm falling down. Celebrate and carry on.
in the engine room we go jam it steady.
Jump up with the people,
In the engine room we go get on what's it.
along with the people.
In the meantime, why don't you join the line? Grab your bottle of fun and come let we party in the engine room.
Everybody let me see you clap those hands. Come on and let me see you clap those hands. Everybody let me see you clap those hands. Come on and let me see you clap those hands.
I was feeling it when I get off, come on, Dr. Cassandra.
She talk how I like it.
But she give me pain, now me whole body feeling better than ever.
Give me the workout, baby. Show them that you're not
She give me
lazy.
one injection in my midsection, I didn't have to pay. Then she give me something and then me swallow fever one right away. One injection in my midsection, I didn't have to pay. Then she give me something and then me swallow fever one right away.
I want you stop whining back.
Lo, 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 man.
I want you stop whining back.
Lo, 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 man.
And take a jump until morning, vet till I'm falling down. Jump up with the people, rave up with the people. And take a jump until morning, vet till I'm falling down. Celebrate and carry on.
I looser than, looser, I sweeter than. You say this carnival harvest.
Yes, if you made it to the end of the video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment something that you liked about the video or a suggestion that you have for next time. We're done with the workout for today. Y'all made it through day 1. Let's go. So of course you don't have to stay for this, but I'm about to do the cool down stretch. So now I'm just leaning over into a pike stretch and I'm just reaching over to touch my toes or touch the floor, whatever you can do. If you cannot touch the floor, please do not touch the floor. Like, we don't need to be in pain. We don't need to be broke up. Now I'm gonna sit on the floor and get into this motion called windshield wipers. So as you can see, I have one hip in the front, one hip in the back. And then you wanna lift up without using your hands on the floor. Really use your core and your legs. And yeah, just move your hips. It's a really good mobility stretch, really good for opening your hips. And I'm doing 12 of them, 6 on each side. So I'm just gonna move one of my hips to the front to do a standard butterfly stretch. And if you can, try to lean forward and keep your back straight. If you can't, it's cool, just take a deep breath and allow your hips to relax. I'm gonna do a little twist on each side, and this cracks my back. Not with any pain or anything, but it cracks my back. It allows me to decompress. And then now I'm gonna be doing those ankle circles once again, 10 on each side. So I'm gonna bend my right knee in front of me, and I'm gonna straighten my left leg, and then I'm gonna grab my left foot, and I just want to lean over and try to keep my back as straight as possible. If you have to keep your back a little bit more up so you can keep your back straight, that's fine. So you want to maintain that hold on your foot, and you want to rotate forward and keep your back straight. And this is going to allow you to rotate your hips. So for my people that sit down a lot, this is a really good stretch. Alright, so we're gonna switch sides, and like I said, you want to be sure to grab your foot and rotate your hips in. Try to keep your back straight. If you have to keep your back more up, that is completely fine. I'm gonna lean back forward to do a butterfly stretch once more, and this time you should be able to reach a little bit deeper. You should be able to breathe a little bit deeper, and I'm just taking my time and reaching down, slowing down my breathing. Here I'm gonna get into a jazz split, so I'm gonna straighten my right leg directly in front of me, and you see I have my left leg folded a little bit slightly, and you want to reach forward kind of like a pike, but you're really gonna feel it in your inner hips. Like if it hurts, like it's supposed to be a little bit uncomfortable unless you're super flexible, but you're gonna feel it in your inner hips. So I'm just leaning over about twice, taking a deep breath, and then now I'm gonna switch sides. So the second to last pose is an advanced one. You don't have to attempt if you don't feel comfortable doing so. I don't even know how to explain it, but just watch and you'll see. It's called the reclining hero pose. Some people may need to put a block behind their back, and that's fine. I just take my time and lean back into it until I get fully flat and all the way into the ground. And I just hold this for about 10 seconds. And you will feel everything stretch. Like, now for the last part of the cool down stretch, I really don't know what this is called, but it's kind of like a butterfly. We're sitting like crisscross, but I'm putting one leg on top of the other, and then I'm leaning forward. If you can't lean forward, that's completely okay. Be sure to switch and do the other side. So that is it for this video, y'all. I'm about to get up out of this gym. Be sure to subscribe to the Tony team. And yeah, I'll see y'all for day 2 tomorrow.